Look at your bank account right now. We are barely halfway through the month, and it's already gasping for air. There is this heavy, quiet anxiety that sits on your chest every single night. That constant, exhausting fear that if your next paycheck is even a single day late, your entire life will completely fall apart. While you were sleeping, a dangerous milestone passed. Americans now owe over $1 trillion just in credit card debt. It's a number so massive, so astronomical, that the human brain can't even process it. 12 zeros. But do not look at that number as just another statistic, because the brutal reality is, you are inside that number. Your late night stress, your extra weekend shifts, every single sacrifice you make is funding that $1 trillion prison. The system hasn't failed. If you think the economy is just broken, you are wrong. It is working exactly as it was designed. The Federal Reserve pushed interest rates so high that credit card companies are now aggressively charging 24, 28, even 30% interest. Think about the math. If you owe $10,000 and only pay the minimum, it will take you over 20 years to wipe it out. You will pay 3 times what you borrowed, entirely in interest. And now, they've unleashed a new weapon, phantom debt. Buy now, pay later apps, Klarna, Afterpay, Affirm. They have turned your financial destruction into a video game. They trick your brain. You see a $100 jacket, but they split it into 4 $25 payments. Your brain tells you, oh, that's cheap. But when you have 20 different small payments silently draining your account every single week, you bleed out. It is death by 1,000 cuts. Let's look at history. Look at the data. In 1970, the average American home cost roughly 3 times the median income. One single income could buy a house, a car, and raise a family comfortably. Today, the average home costs over 7 times the median income. Wages are completely stagnant, inflation is predatory, and the purchasing power of your dollar is dead. You are running twice as fast, working double the hours, just to stay in the exact same place your parents stood comfortably. Corporate America does not hate you. They need you. They need you just broke enough to accept that brutal extra shift, but not poor enough to quit. You are a hamster in a wheel they built. But enough is enough. This isn't a motivational speech to make you feel good for 2 minutes. This is an escape plan. If you want out of the trap, you have to stop playing by their rules. First, you must declare absolute war on your debt. Casual budgeting is dead. Trying to spend less does not work anymore. You need to hunt your debt down, list them out, find the smallest balance, and attack it with every single spare dollar you have. Give the other bills the bare minimum, and destroy that small one first. When that first balance hits 0, the psychological win, the raw dopamine, will feel better than any new iPhone. You will feel your power finally returning. Second, you build your fortress. Credit card companies only win when you are desperate. When your car breaks down or a medical emergency hits, you are forced to swipe their plastic, and they win. To break that cycle, you need a cash emergency fund of 3 to 6 months, and do not let that cash sit in a traditional bank account earning 0% interest. Park it safely in a high-yield savings account where your money actually works for you. When you hold a fortress of cash, their manufactured crises cannot touch you. Your car breaks down, you pay cash. You fix it. You go back to sleep. No interest, no plastic, no trap. The American dream isn't dead. It's just buried deep under plastic, monthly payments, and high interest rates, specifically designed to keep you from ever thinking freely. Drop the weight. Dig it out. It is time to be broke no more. If you have the courage to break the chains and refuse to be a slave to their system, hit subscribe right now. Join the revolution. Leave a comment below. Honestly, what is the one specific debt that feels like a prison to you right now? Stay free.